To replace a freezer basket roller support in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Open the freezer drawer and lift out the upper basket. You can now use the small flathead screwdriver to pry out the basket roller support you're replacing. Remove the roller. To install the new freezer basket roller support, insert the roller into the support. Then, keeping the side with the small bump facing outward, snap the support into place in the basket slot. Replace the upper basket, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.